Hi there! Stay tuned with us to see two monsters battle it out. Who's going to win? Is it going to be the Yeti or our friend, the good monster? Hi kids! DJ Disney here. I'm so glad you're with me. Today we'll be opening Matchbox on a mission. It's a Yeti Avalanche. It's a really fun one. You slam action to launch a giant snowball that will topple the Yeti. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back of the box. This set also includes a vehicle and there are no batteries required. Let's see what we have inside. Here is the vehicle that's included, and this toy does require assembly. Let's drive up our snow mountain and see what surprises we have in store. First, the avalanche goes right on top. And you launch it by pressing the orange button. Very fun. You can even slam it so it goes even further down the mountain. Let's see how our vehicle works. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Watch out, there's a scary Yeti that's come our way. Avalanche coming down. There goes our Yeti. It's now safe to cross. Tread slowly, the avalanche can come down any minute. It's very icy, slippery. Notice the detail on our mountain. We have a house up on the mountain that's made of snow, sort of like an igloo. And notice the ice fishing you can do on this mountain. Any Matchbox toy with this collection. In fact, any small toy or car can work. Here's another one by Matchbox that's going up the ramp. And guess what? There's a surprise for him up there. Here comes our red monster friend. He's going to scare away the Yeti for good. Well, that's it for us, kids. Thanks for watching. It's been so much fun having you along. Please subscribe to our channel and watch more videos. Bye, everyone.